Whenever we are in Switzerland, we always visit the city of Zurich, as Zurich Airport is our port of entry and exit. We usually schedule our visit to the city the day before our departure, as we would typically stay at any of the airport hotels in preparation for our return flight the following day. The city of Zurich is about a 10 to 12-minute train ride from the airport and is just one stop away if you take the intercity or the interregional trains. Upon reaching the Zurich main train station, we would look for the exit that would take us to the Bahnhofstrasse.
I find, alam mo, nakikita ko lang to sa sa video I'm finally here. Iba yung feeling na you're actually walking.
During our first visit, we had breakfast at Konfiser Bachmann, located at the corner of Bahnhofstrasse and Sechseläutenplatz, just a few feet away from the train exit on Bahnhofstrasse. Above the bakery is the Lindt store where we bought some chocolates. Bahnhofstrasse is a shopping boulevard that serves as the main downtown street. It connects the main train station with Lake Zürich. We would usually walk the length of the Bahnhofstrasse and do a lot of window shopping until we reached Augustinergasse. Augustinergasse is a beautiful alley lined with colorful houses. We would walk through this alley to get to the Lindenhof. From the alley, we head towards Münsterbrücke, then turn left on Wiedergasse. At the end of the path is the south end of Rennweg, where the Amazon and Brunnen is found. Just past the fountain on the left are stairs leading up to the Lindenhof.
We found it.
The Lindenhof is a park on a hill in the old town of Zurich with beautiful views of the Limmat River, the City Hall, and the Grossmünster Church, among others. We usually spent considerable time at the Lindenhof, enjoying the scene at the Limmat River. From the Lindenhof, we exit the park using the stairs at Fallsgasse and walk back to Wiedergasse and Münsterbrücke until we get back to Bahnhofstrasse. We head south on Bahnhofstrasse until we reach Poststrasse, and at the east end of the street is the Fraumünster. During our second visit, we went inside the church to see the stained glass windows by Marc Chagall. There is a 5-franc fee to enter the church, and no photographs are allowed. I have linked in the description website reference on the stained glass windows for more information. Beside the Fraumünster is the Münsterhof, or the church courtyard. About 100 meters east of the square is the Münsterbrücke. The bridge crossing the Limmat River connects the Münsterhof with the Limmat Quai. Crossing the bridge, you will find the Grossmünster, a landmark cathedral in Zurich. During our third visit in late November, We went to the Christmas markets outside Grossmünster Church. Our walk continues southbound on the Limit Quai, continuing to Bellevueplatz until we reach Sechseläutenplatz. Sechseläutenplatz is the largest town square in Zurich, and at the south end of the court is the Zurich Opera House. From late November, a month-long Christmas market is held at this square. From the square, we cross the Uto Kulm Boulevard to Lake Zürich. We walked along the promenade in a northbound direction and bought lunch at one of the sausage stands. We enjoyed our lunch at the lakeside promenade with the swans waiting to get their share. From Lake Zürich, we worked our way back to the train station. We followed the Limit Quai northbound, turned right on Zürich, then left on Niederdorfstrasse. Niederdorfstrasse is the main street that runs through Zurich's Niederdorf district. The pedestrian zone is lined with shops and restaurants and is an excellent place to stroll around. From the Niederdorf, we turned left on Münsterbrücke, crossed the Rudolf Brunn Bridge, and continued west on Augustinergasse. We then turned right on Bahnhofstrasse to return to the main train station. On our first visit to Zurich, we took the S-Bahn line 10 or S10 to Uetliberg from the main train station and spent our afternoon at Uto Kulm. Uto Kulm is a hotel and restaurant high above Uetliberg mountain. We had an afternoon snack at the terrace restaurant while enjoying sweeping views of Lake Zürich and the city below. By late afternoon, we were ready to return to the airport.